Hi everyone, so today is the fourth video of our blog writing series where we will discuss in detail about keyword research and also see a practical demo. So if you haven't seen our previous videos, I'll highly recommend you to first watch that videos. The link is in description. Also click on the above I button. So let's get started with our today's topic. So if I say if you want to write a good blog, you need to use high search volume, primary keyword and secondary keyword. Now, the people who are new to blogging will get confused. Their mind will hit now so many of queries like what is keyword, what is primary keyword, what is secondary keyword, what is search volume, keyword resource, and much more. So today I will answer all of the queries and relax your mind. Now, what is keyword? A very simple answer is anything you search on Google is a keyword. For example, if you search on Google how to write a blog, here how to write a blog is our keyword, and see it also showing you so many of recommendations, all are keywords. So if we search here, we will get so many of search results. So every website is ranking on how to write a blog. These are the top 10 websites which we already seen in our previous videos. So now, what is primary keyword and what is secondary keyword? So the keyword which is used in your blog title is known as your primary keyword. So you can say that your title is your primary keyword, which is always defined in H1, which is heading 1. So this is a keyword which you search first time during your keyword research. So secondary keyword, as its name, after primary keyword, when you use a keyword in your blog, it is known as secondary keyword. Mostly it is used in H2 heading, that is subheading of your blog. So both primary and secondary keyword plays a very important role to rank your blog on top 10 search results. So to find good keyword, there are many tools that are available on the internet like SEMrush, Href, Ubersuggest, Google Keyword Planner, The Hot, Answer the Public, and much more. You can even use Google autocomplete recommendation as your keyword. But most of tools which are present in market are not free. But today I will show you the best free tool you can use for your keyword research. So Ubersuggest is the best tool which provides you highly searched keyword and their detail for free. So let's see where you can find that tool and how you can effectively use that tool to find your best keyword. Open your Google browser and just search for Ubersuggest. Now click on the first link and here we are in Ubersuggest page. So let's suppose I want to create a blog on SEO. So I have decided I will choose my keyword what is SEO. So the title of my blog will be what is SEO. So let's search here what is SEO. Now from here you can choose country. Just choose India and click on search. Now it will search the results and just wait. Now see, now it's showing a keyword what is SEO having search volume of 18,100, which is very high. SEO difficulty is 20, paid difficulty is 6, and cost per click is 35 rupees. You can say it's 36 almost. Now if you are new to this tool, then you need to understand what are these terms. So let's first understand what is search volume. So it is the number of searches this particular keyword has during a month. So which is 18,100 and it is very high. And on the other hand, SEO difficulty. So mostly a beginner can choose SEO difficulty from number 1 to 15, but this SEO have 20, which it shows easy, but according to current time it's difficult to rank your blog on that keyword. Now it's showing paid difficulty which is 6. Now you need to understand what is paid difficulty. So it is an amount which is bid on a keyword via companies, so it will be difficult for other to get ads on their blog by using this keyword. So we always prefer lower paid difficulty. Now the next field is CPC, cost per click. So you just need to choose a keyword which have higher CPC because it will help you to earn more money on your blog. Now how it will give you money? Let's suppose you create a blog on this keyword Now you are getting 8,000, 18,100 high amount of traffic. Now what will happen if your blog ranks and Google will give you ad? Now if any people or any person click on ad, the per click price they will pay you 35.99. So just calculate 18,000 multiplied by 35.99, it will be a higher amount. So this is cost per click. So for your ease, I am telling you always choose a keyword which have higher search volume, low SEO difficulty, low paid difficulty, and higher cost per click. So let's explore this tool and see what it's showing us results. So here you can read a line, the average web page that ranks in the top 10 has 3,399 backlinks and the domain authority is 84. So what's that mean? It means the top 10 website which is ranking on Google's first page, they have this much amount of backlinks with the authority of 84. So backlinks. Backlink is just an external link which is provided by high authority websites. Now, what are high authority websites? So the websites on which Google trusts and rank always on first result of their search engine are the high authority website. You can take an example like Microsoft is a high authority website, YouTube and other websites. Let's understand it with an example. So suppose if you just launch a new blog and you don't have any backlink, then it is difficult to rank your blog on search results. But let's suppose Microsoft refer your website and mention your blog link inside their website. Then this referring is called backlink, which will rank your blog easily because Google trusts Microsoft and it also trusts on your website just because they refer you. Now let's move downward and see what are the search results of our keyword. So this is our keyword which we have searched. What is SEO? Its search volume as it said 18,100, CPC 35, then pay difficulty is 6 and SEO difficulty is 20. So it is difficult to rank my blog on that, but it also showing us other suggestions. We can choose that, like this one, there is a difficulty. So as I said, always choose SEO difficulty from 1 to 15. So first we will check the lowest difficulty, and the lowest difficulty is 8 here, and the pay difficulty is 9. Its CPC is 35 and the volume is 2400. And this is the good keyword, so we can create a blog on what is SEO keywords. Then we can search for another keyword which will be this, what is SEO backlinks. Here search volume is same 2400, and but its CPC is also high, it is also great. But here as you can see, paid difficulty is again high and SEO difficulty is low. We can choose, but because of paid difficulty it is difficult, so we can filter and choose this one. So let's choose a keyword here. So let's choose this keyword and click on here and it will show you more search results. Now we can just click on more search results from here and you can see other search results. See, now you can also choose other keywords. So let's suppose we have choose our primary keyword. So first we have chosen what is SEO keywords. This is our primary keyword which we have chosen. Now we can choose other related keywords, so which we can mention in our blog so that it will get more rank. Then you can choose what is SEO digital marketing. Now the secondary keywords which you will choose, you can make them subheadings like your H2 heading. So let's suppose I have created a blog on what is SEO keywords, then this is the main heading. Then after that I'm choosing again a very good keyword. Let's suppose I have chosen this one which have great price, which have low difficulty, low SEO difficulty, and also a higher one. So what is SEO WordPress? So I can choose that keyword and mention it as a subheading and explain what is SEO keyword. Then again I will move down, I will choose another what is SEO writing. Again it also have search result and all things are good here. So like that, you can choose keywords, choose keyword, open your notepad and any memo, note down all the keywords, note down their difficulties and use them into your blogs. So this is a demo of Ubersuggest, how you can use that and research your keyword for your blog. In our next video, I will show you how you can do on-page SEO and use that keywords inside your blog. Thank you.